Intro scene. Opening shot. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 sits under showroom lights, its aggressive stance commanding attention. Narrator, excited tone. The king of drag racing and high-performance muscle is back. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 takes American muscle to the next level with insane power, cutting-edge technology, and race-ready performance. Today, we break down everything you need to know about this beast. Exterior review. Close-up shots of the front grille, LED headlights, sculpted hood, and massive air intake. Narrator. Chevrolet has given the COPO ZL1 an aggressive, aerodynamic design built for speed. The massive front grille allows for better airflow, while the futuristic LED headlights add a modern touch. But the real showstopper. This sculpted hood with a functional air intake that screams performance. Walk-around shot of the wide fenders, side profile, and rear spoiler. Narrator. From the side, you'll notice the widened stance, low-profile side skirts, and those massive 18-inch drag-ready wheels wrapped in racing slicks. This isn't just for looks, it's built to grip the road and launch like a rocket. And in the back, a race-inspired spoiler and quad exhaust setup ensure both downforce and an aggressive soundtrack. Engine and performance. Cut to under the hood, showcasing the high-performance engine. Narrator. Now, let's get to the heart of this monster. Under the hood, the 2025 COPO ZL1 offers multiple engine options, including a monstrous 7.0L naturally aspirated V8 pushing over 600 horsepower and an available supercharged 5.7L V8 that cranks out a mind-blowing 1000 horsepower. This thing isn't just fast, it's built to dominate. Cut to drag strip footage, showcasing a launch with tires screeching and the car taking off. Narrator. With a specially tuned racing transmission and lightweight chassis, this Camaro is built for quarter-mile supremacy. 0 to 60. Just over 3 seconds. Quarter-mile time. Easily in the 8-second range when properly tuned. This is a factory-built drag car with no compromises. Interior and tech. Showcase of the race-focused interior, bucket seats, digital gauge cluster, and roll cage. Narrator. Inside, it's all about performance. Chevrolet has stripped out unnecessary weight, but you still get race-ready bucket seats, a digital gauge cluster, and an advanced data logging system to track your runs. And for those who want a bit of modern tech, an optional infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is available. Close-up of steering wheel, paddle shifters, and launch control button. Narrator. The flat-bottom steering wheel, performance paddle shifters, and track-ready launch control give you everything you need to maximize speed while staying in full control. Safety and race features. Show clips of traction control, roll cage, and drag-ready suspension. Narrator. Safety is key when you're pushing this much power. Chevrolet includes an NHRA-certified roll cage, reinforced chassis, and advanced traction control systems to keep you planted on the track. This isn't just a fast car, it's a purpose-built race machine. Final thoughts. Show the Camaro COPO ZL1 under sunset lighting, engine revving. Narrator. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro COPO ZL1 the ultimate muscle car? Absolutely. It's built for pure speed, insane power, and track-ready dominance. If you're looking for a Camaro that delivers maximum performance straight from the factory, this is it. Camera slowly zooms out as the car launches down the track. Narrator. What do you think about the 2025 COPO ZL1? Would you take it to the drag strip? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-performance car reviews. See you in the next one. End screen. Show social media handles, subscribe button, and related video suggestions.